Oh my God. Where the heck is Ahmed? Why isn't he here eating? Ahmed? It's lunch day! Ahmed, what time did you wake up?
Like half hour ago.
What time is it right now?
6:10 a.m.
I wanna go and see it for myself. Ooh, mama. Oh my God, this is so exciting. Oh my God, look at this new homepage. So I actually get all of our orders to my phone anytime an order gets placed. So they're coming in. Oh my God, this is so exciting. I'm wearing the same outfit as yesterday, by the way. I have a huge investor meeting today and all white is just my deal. The silks, oh my gosh, you guys, they're like flying off the shelves. Like all our hard work is finally paid off. It's all up on the website. Everyone's loving them. I'm getting all the comments and all the orders are pouring in. This is so exciting. Right now, you're gonna see the promo video, so cue video.
We're in the historic Chrysler building. It's beautiful.
Yeah, we just had an investor meeting. How did that go? Like how, I don't even know. That was intimidating. There was like 6 of them in the room and us too.
Yeah, it was good. I think it was a good meeting overall.
Was it?
I think so.
As you know, the silks dropped today, which is very, very exciting and a long time coming. So I just wanted to go through all the different colors we have so you can see them on and see how beautiful they are. I'm so excited for you guys to see them. You're gonna love them. So I'm gonna start really quickly with the Chantilly Cream, very classic ivory. This definitely works for bridal because we've had a lot of questions about bridal. This is definitely what you want. All the silks come in a square and rectangle. I'm showing you guys squares just because that's what I'm comfortable with. Actually, this is called Chantilly Cream, not ivory, but it's basically ivory. Rose blush, and this is not the classic blush, which is why we called it rose blush, because it does have just a drop of a mauve-y rose, but it's such a beautiful neutral. This is a neutral that looks good on everyone. It's just such a flattering tone. It's very similar to our light mink, which is our best seller of all time. This is probably in my top 3 of my favorite silk colors. Also in my top 3, and the color that I'm always in, especially in the fall time. So this is called Bordeaux. It's so good. I love this color. It's so flattering on medium skin tones, particularly, although it looks great on everyone. Next one is we call Royal Navy, which is just a very beautiful classic navy color. One thing that I really wanted to make sure we did is cover colors that work for professional settings, because the silks, obviously they're beautiful elevated fabric and they lend themselves very well to formal and evening occasions, but at the same time I really thought about professional wear. And you know, back when I was working as an attorney, going to the courtroom, how could I elevate my suit or my outfit in such a way that would still you know, give me that really regal look. And this is a color that I would have loved to have back in that corporate world. This is something I probably would have worn a lot. Next is black. It's a classic. Can't go wrong with black. Oh, hello, Giselle. Hello. Hello. I was thinking we should put you in a couple colors so people can see how it would look on light skin. Yay! Tea time!
Here we go.
You smell so good.
Thank you.
Oh, while Giselle puts on the black, I'm gonna get classic red ready. Okay, so this is the classic red. We just have to have a red, like,
Yeah.
had to happen.
Red is so powerful.
It is.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, saying yes.
Boom. Yes.
Yeah.
So professional.
Fashion week.
This is the Power Blazer, so.
Oh, look how good this looks.
You look amazing. This is a great color.
That's so
Thanks,
great.
Alice. You totally saved the day.
Gosh, Giselle.
Let's see
Hi.
Giselle in the black.
Closing up my neck.
Yeah, Giselle works the black way better than I do.
Oh, but the silk is so magical.
This is Giselle's test with fabric.
Yeah.
She has to throw it in the air.
Yeah, wait. There it
And
is.
she will make grown men put it on their head.
Oh, I do. Just to test the weightlessness of it, so they can understand.
So while Giselle's trying on silver, I'm gonna try on the vintage gold, since these are our colors. I'm a warm tone, you're a cool tone.
Yes, this is a perfect example.
Yes. This gold is a great gold too. I feel like it's a real
Yeah.
pure gold. It's not like a champagne, it's a gold.
It's a rich gold.
Yes, very rich. Ooh, look at the drape that's happening.
So pretty.
I love it.
Is that a square?
Yes, the square.
That's a picture.
Totes. Okay, let's switch.
Okay.
Oh, look at the gold on you.
So I think it's just that the gold's really pretty.
Actually, the silver looks good on me too.
It must be the silk.
Oh, it's such a pretty gold.
Such a pretty gold.
It's bringing out like warm tones in your skin that I don't ordinarily see.
It's weird, yeah.
There's pearl dust, which is like the most ethereal. What do you even call this color?
Yeah, it's like a dusty rose meets a dusty lavender meets a pearly
Champagne.
gray, meets a champagne. It's a really unique color for sure.
It's beautiful. So this is Peacock, which is our beautiful teal. This was like the anchor of the entire collection.
It was.
It started with this one beautiful luster that we were like, this is it.
Yeah.
When we saw the teal.
Got this sparkle to it, this shine.
Oh, that color, everything on you. I feel like that's the best color for you out of everything.
Pearl dust.
You look so pretty in this color. It's really pretty. All right, that was it. That's all the colors.
They were beautiful.
We covered them all. Oh, and we have to show you what they come in. These really beautiful dust bags. Plus 2 pearl magnets, because we don't want you to poke holes and ruin the silk. I hope that this was amazing for you and you love the silks. If you have any questions about them, leave them below, and then I will get back to you on all your questions.
Flutter. Flutter. The flutter. They all flutter.
3 colors sold out within a few hours, which honestly was awesome. Like, I'm happy that happened, but at the same time, I was like bummed out because I want you guys to get the colors you want, and how frustrating that is. And you know, we've been building this launch for so long, and then for the colors that you want to be sold out on the first day in a few hours, it's a frustrating experience. So we're working on getting those colors back in stock. The thing is, we've never had silks before, so we don't know how well they're due. It's all a big learning process, but now we know the colors that you guys love and want, so we can get more of those as we continue. Oh my god, Khatli, he's sleeping. He didn't even break his fast. Ahmed, did you break your fast? Oh my god, haram. He didn't even break his fast. It's like 8:30.
This is where it all ends up, people. We're passing out. It's been another long day. We worked our butts off. It's all because of the launch, just for you guys.
Wait, what are we doing tomorrow?
They'll find out tomorrow. Peace.
Salam, guys.